Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, after finish video, I will share all project files for download. First one, let's create a new background, right mouse, new and solid. And add name background, click OK. Go to FX presets, search FX fill. Select this fill, let's use for this background and change color white. Click OK and lock layer. Then go to shape layers, hold this icon and select this run arrange tool. Let's make one shape layer like this and click selection tool. Go to click fill, select none, click OK. Go to color, let's select color black. Click OK and change stroke width. Okay, let's open rectangle 1 and rectangle path 1. Change roughness. Okay, and in this time go to shape layers. Let's create new ellipse tool and hold shift, make one ellipse. Click selection tool and change stroke width 0. Go to click fill color. Let's select black. Click OK and move the inside this rectangle and press S, change scale, and for move the anchor point center, hold Ctrl, double click palm behind the icon. Click selection tool again and move the inside rectangle, press S, change scale and move to left like this. Let's try change 56 or change 60. Okay, nice. Let's change 65. Okay. Change 63. So in this time, select this ellipse tool and let's press P. Make new patching keyframe and go to 1 second. Let's move to right. And select keyframes, make easies, let's see. Okay, select keyframes, go to graph editor and let's select graph. Let's make smooth graph. Okay, that's good. So, click this icon for back to keyframes and go to shape layers. Let's hold this icon, let's create a new rectangle tool. Let's make like this. Click selection tool and go to color. Let's change fill color blue. Click OK and let's move to down. Okay, let's change name blue and change the shape layer circle and these black lines. Okay, and select this blue and move to right. Then go to shape layers, hold this icon and select ellipse tool. Let's hold shift, make one ellipse like this and move to here. Go to fill color, let's change color red. Click OK and let's move to down. Okay, nice, and change this layer name red. Then go to pen tool and let's make other figure. Let's click here and here like this. Click selection tool. Let's move to right. Okay, go to fill color. Let's change color green. Click OK. Okay, then go to pen tool. Select pen tool. Let's change like this. Okay, press S, change scale and change layer name green. Okay, nice. So select this layer and select palm behind. Let's move the anchor point down like this. Click selection tool and select this circle. Select palm behind. Let's move to down. Click selection tool again and finally select this cube and select this anchor point, hold shift, move to down. Okay. So let's select this layer green and move to down. Press S, change scale again. And move to down, move to right. Okay. So in this time, select this layer blue and go to first second. Let's press P, make new position keyframe, and go to 10 keyframe. We have two ways for go to 10 keyframe. First way, hold shift, press page down in the keyboard, and second way, click timeline and right here plus 10. Then click OK, and let's move to up. Go to 10 keyframe again, select first keyframe, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Select keyframes, make easies, go to graph editor and let's select this graph, move to left and select this, move to right, let's see. Okay, select this keyframe, move to left and select this, move to right. Let's see again. Nice. So back to keyframes and select last keyframe and go to 3 keyframe, 1, 2, 3. And let's move to up, go to 3 keyframe again, 1, 2, 3. Select this keyframe, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, we have problem with keyframes. Let's select these all keyframes, right mouse, go to keyframe interpolation, change correct settings to linear. Click OK. Let's say again. Nice. So select the keyframes, Ctrl C, and go to first second, select this red and green, Ctrl V for paste keyframes. And select this red, press P, select all keyframes, and move to right. Select this layer green, press P, select all keyframes, and move to right. And let's say again. Nice. Then select this red, move to right, and select green, move to right for step-by-step animation. Let's say again. Okay, and let's select this layer, move to left, and this move to left. Let's see. Nice. So in this time, let's go to here and let's set up timing. Let's select these blue keyframes and move to right. And go to here. In this time, select keyframes, red keyframes, move to here for better timing. And in this time, select green keyframes, move to here. Let's see. Nice. So go to here and make new position keyframe. Go to 5 keyframes and select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's see. Nice. Select keyframes, go to graph editor, and let's make again smooth keyframes. Let's see. Nice. Back to keyframes, and in this time select these keyframes green, Ctrl C, and in this time let's Ctrl V for again jump animation. Nice. And in this time select red keyframes, Ctrl C and Ctrl V for again jumping. Okay, and in this time select keyframes for cubes, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Let's see. Nice. So this is loop animation. Let's press N for select work area and like this, and let's see animation. Nice. So friends, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.